Welcome back to the way.com YouTube channel. I'm Kanan, and today I'm going to show you how to make that dull paint shine again. So there's a lot of ways that your paint can fade over time. Corrosion, oxidation, just keeping it dirty and just leaving it dirty without washing it enough with leaves or anything else, tree sap, can really dull and scratch the finish of your paint. So before you worry about finishing the paint or making the fade go away, the first thing we need to do is wash the car. Now we have covered here on the channel how to wash your car like an expert. So give your car a very good wash and dry to make sure that you have a pristine surface to start with. Now the first thing you want to do after the car is washed is do a clay bar service. Now this just calls a little detailer and a piece of clay, and it takes off a lot of the contamination in the clear coat or paint already, just to give you a better surface to start with. Next, we're going to move on to a dual action polisher. Now this is a simple handheld tool that you can buy at most local stores, and you're going to want to pick up enough pads and the compound to go with them. Now depending on how bad your faded paint is or how your scratches are, you may want to do different levels of the pads and the associated compound with each. Now the one we're working on today has just a little bit of swirl. The paint's pretty good, so we're just going to worry about taking the swirl marks out and then polishing the paint. So I've got a pad here, the polishing fluid to go with it. You then put a little bit on the pad, rub it all over the paint to make sure that you don't have a lot that's going to fling off when you turn on your tool, and then you're going to use small circular motions. Keep the polish liquid, don't let it dry, and use this in small motions in a small area until you're done. Now you may also want to tape off anything you don't want to get polish on, so such as a hood, any emblems, any other features of plastic trim. You can just use some painter's tape in order to do that. And then once you're done, you're going to use a clean microfiber towel to wipe off any residue left and to really finish the shine. Now once you've gone through each step all the way through the polishing step, you want to at that point give it a very good wipe over and look at putting on a complete wax of the car. That'll keep the surface that you've already polished, it'll put it under wax and keep it on a good clean surface. That way it's protected. And then in the future, all you might need to do is just do some car washes and occasionally wax it without having to go back through polishing and cleaning out all the scratches again. Now, if you like these DIYs here on way.com's YouTube channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Hit the bell notification so you know when we release new videos. You can find us on Instagram at way.com_ and on TikTok at way.com. Because here at way.com, it is all about cars, and we'll see you next time.